Welcome to my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Main function and that this credit service in country have been around since 1980 through credit card facilities. At the time, credit cards were only intended for certain groups, namely businessmen, official, and upper class people. Over time, credit began to be used by the general public. Since then, many countries have felt the great function and benefit of credit to date. However, what is the purpose of financial institution in providing credit service to their customer? There are three objectives of financial institution providing credit to their customer, namely 1. Benefit from interest. Where do banks get their profits from? Of course, from the interest payment on customer loans. The amount of interest can be fixed or flat, can also be progressive over time. If customers do not pay off their loan installment on time, they will also have to pay late fees. The fine is also useful for financing bank operation. 2. Helping customer in meeting need. The bank also want to assist customer in carrying out the function of the banking sector supervision sector. It carries out the following main tasks. 1. Conducting research in order to support bank regulation and development of bank supervision system. 2. Conduct bank and banking industry regulations. 3. Develop system and regulation for bank supervision. 4. Carry out coaching, supervision, and bank inspection. 5. Carry out law enforcement on regulation in the banking sector. 6. Carry out special examination and investigation of irregularities suspected of containing criminal element in the banking sector. 7. Implement remedial and resolution of banks that have unhealthy condition as a follow-up to normal bank supervision result. 8. Develop banking supervision. 9. Provide technical guidance and evaluation in the banking sector. And 10. Carry out the duties assigned by the Board of the Commissioners. And then about what is banking? Banking is a business entity that collects funds from the public in the form of savings and distributes them to the public in the form of credit and or other form in order to improve the standard of living of the people at large. Activities to collect funds from the public are carried out in the form of demand deposits, saving and time deposit. Deposits from the public are usually given attractive rewards such as flowers and other gifts. Activities to channel funds are carried out in the form of providing loans to the community. Meanwhile, other banking services are provided to support the smooth running of the main activities of collecting and distributing public funds. And then about viewing the view of banking service. Not only providing savings and credit products, banks also provide other services that facilitate customer financial transactions for both business and personal needs. There are so many banking services, my friend, apparently, from those who are very close to you to those that you might just know when reading this article. Let's take a look at what banking service look like together. 1. Electric money or store value card. You could say that in an era like now, the movement of financial transaction is getting faster, buddy, because it is easier for people to transaction without the need to use money in physical form. No people can transact with electronic money. One of them, electronic money, is a means of payment in the electronic form where the value of the money is stored in certain electronic media and their user must deposit a certain amount of money, a top-up. First, to ensure that the stored in the form of a balance. Electronic money is divided into two types, namely chip. Based on this type is generally in the form of the card, while there are server based on this type is generally in the form of an application installed of a smartphone. Electronic money certainly help people a lot, from shopping, paying for toll service, to paying for public transportation service without having to worry about carrying cash and waiting for change for a long time. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget give, like, comment and subscribe.